The one thing we need to understand about ancient cultures is that they use figurative language. So the challenge for us is kailangan natin malaman kung kailan sila nagsasalita literally, at kung kailan sila nagsasalita ng figuratively. Take for example itong Genesis chapter 12 where the author talks about the Tower of Babel. Now, alam natin, the description says that they're going to build a city, they're going to build a tower, and the top of the tower is in the heavens, no? With its top in the heavens. So automatic kasi, we would interpret that as height. We would think about the tallest building in the world, no? Breaking the Guinness World of Records. But for them, they're trying to explain to us na we're gonna be building a tower that is gonna be used for a specific purpose. So it's purpose rather than height. Now, the question is, paano maintindihan kung anong purpose nito? Now, the thing that we do is you go to other places in the Bible where you find similar description. And luckily for us, you can actually find it in Genesis chapter 28. This is the account kung saan itong si Jacob tumakas siya. Pupunta siya kay uncle niyang si Laban kasi utos to ng kanyang mga magulang kasi galit na galit ang kanyang kapatid sa kanya. So halfway, papunta kay Laban, nakatulog siya dito sa lugar na tinatawag originally Luz. No, it was later called Bethel, and I'll explain to you why it's called Bethel. Now, the thing is, nanaginip siya. And this is what he saw. Sabi dito is he saw a stairway erected on the earth with its top reaching to the heavens. So what does that mean? He further explains the angels of God were going up and coming down. So meaning to say, may isang hagdanan at nakikita niyang akyat baba ang mga anghel, and on top, nakatayo ang Panginoon. Nakatayo doon sa tuktok si Yahweh at kinausap siya. No, this is where God affirms His blessing to Jacob. And finally, nung nagising siya, he realized, ang sabi dito, surely the Lord is in this place. Kaya nga niyan tinawag na Bethel later on. This is the house of God. This is the gate of heaven. He finally realized how awesome the place truly was. So he called the place Bethel. Now, what is he trying to tell us? Ang sinasabi ni Jacob is that this is a place where you can actually locate a portal. A portal para so that you can reach the spiritual realm, so that you can reach the realm kung saan nandoon si Yahweh. Okay? So, going back to Genesis 12, ano ang pina-point out nitong mga taong ito? Anong sinasabi ng author sa atin? Why are they building a tower? The reason it's because they want to build a tower that is going to act as a portal in order to reach the heavenly realm. That is what they're trying to do. They're trying to build a building complex. They're trying to build a stairway, a ziggurat, something like a ziggurat, in order to reach the heavenly realm. And that is actually what they're trying to teach us. And with that, God bless.